Mother's Day is coming up, and so we thought it would be fun to draw a really cool folding surprise that you could use as a Mother's Day card.
Yeah.
Does that sound like fun?
Yes.
You excited?
Yeah.
We hope you are too, and we hope you're going to follow along. What do they need for this lesson?
A marker, some paper, and something to color with.
All right, let's get started. Let's first start by folding our paper so that we can draw the folding surprise. So we're going to take the top edge and fold it down to the bottom edge. So we're folding it in half. So line up the edges, and then I love starting by folding it right down the middle and then out to the corners. Yeah, and then I'll hold it and you can go right down the middle. Yep, and then out to the edge. Good job. Now we're gonna take this top flap and we're gonna fold it back up to the top or the middle. So line it up and then right down the middle and out to the corners. There you go. Good job. Now we're gonna flip it over and we're gonna do the same thing. Now this fold is actually just a guide fold. So when we're all done with this one, we're gonna unfold it. Yeah, good job. All the way to the corner. Then we're gonna unfold that flap like that. Yep, and then you can straighten it out and then flip it over. Now we're gonna use construction paper underneath while we're drawing so that our marker doesn't bleed through and get onto the table. You can use any scratch paper that you want. We're just gonna use red so it's easier to see the white paper. Now we're gonna use our markers and we're first gonna draw a heart right in the middle of our folding surprise. So let's first start down here and we're gonna draw 2 bumps on the top part of our folding surprise. So I'm gonna draw the top of the heart. And we can draw it right in the middle.
It's like a curvy M.
Yeah, it is. It does look like a curvy M. There we go, bump, and then another one. Yeah, good job. You got a big heart. That's awesome. Then we're gonna draw the bottom of our heart. So we're gonna draw a V, comes down and connects back up on the other side. Good job. Oh, that is a cute looking heart. Next, we're gonna draw the letter M over here on the left side. So we can actually start. Let's start over here and we're going to draw a line that comes up next to the heart. See that? And we're going to start right here and we're going to curve up across the fold. Yes, keep going. Then we're going to draw that V part in the M. We're going to draw a line that comes down and back up. And then we're going to draw a curve coming back down. Looks like a curved M, huh?
Yeah.
Okay, now we're going to repeat that same step except on this side. So we'll start here. We're going to draw a curve that comes right next to the heart, like that, across the fold. So if you want, it might be a little easier to start at the top and draw it down. There you go. Keep going. All right, now let's draw the V for the top of the M. And then we're going to draw the rest of the M coming down, and I drew it curving also. What does that look like it spells, Hadley?
Mom.
Mom, yeah. M-O, the heart is the O, and then another M. Now we're ready to unfold our folding surprise, and we're going to finish the inside. It's going to look really cool. It's going to look like a bunch of tulips inside of here. So let's first start by drawing the top of the heart at the bottom. So we're going to connect the V with 2 bumps. So we have the heart down here. Now we're going to turn the top of the M's into a tulip. So we're going to start by drawing a U shape that connects the left side over to the right, and we'll do the same thing over here on this side. What a simple tulip.
Yeah.
It looks really pretty. Okay, now let's draw a couple more tulips. We can even draw more hearts. I'm going to draw a tulip right here. So I'm first going to draw a U shape. And then we can make it look like these other tulips by drawing a V at the top. Yeah, now let's draw another tulip. I'm going to draw one right here next to this first one we drew. And then we can draw the V to connect the top. There's no mistakes. The most important thing is
To have fun.
yeah, have fun and to practice. All right, now let's draw a heart over here. I'm going to first draw one side like this. Looks like an upside down J. Yeah, and then we're going to draw the other side of our heart, another upside down J. Okay, let's draw another heart over here. And if you want, you could use overlapping. I'm going to see when we draw this heart, we also want to make sure that we don't go below this bottom fold. And then I'm going to draw the other J, upside down J. I just noticed that you added a smiley face right there. It's really cute.
Wait.
And eyelashes. I'm going to add 2 more tulips. I'm going to do them right here. So I'm going to draw a big U shape and then that V. And if we go too fast, our friends can do what?
Pause the video.
Yeah, if you need to, you can always pause the video to take extra time. All right, we got one more V right there, or one more tulip. Now let's connect the tulips to the stems. So right here, let's start over here. I'm going to draw this line coming up and connecting to this tulip right there. All the way up. Good. And then we can connect this line over here to that tulip, the stem. And then we can also, let's look at this one. It's way up here. I'm going to draw a line that comes down and connects down to this one. So
Oh, that's long.
it can go behind the heart or it could go in front. Yeah, there you go. And then imagine it coming down and connecting. That is a long stem. Okay, and then we can draw, let's draw a stem right here. This one's going to come down and I'm going behind this tulip. And then we can also draw a stem for the little one right here. You can just connect it to the heart. All right, we got another tulip that's way up here and we got a stem down here. So let's draw another stem. It comes down. And this one, I'm going to draw in front of the heart. Look at that. So if you want, you could go behind it or in front, either way. All right, Hadley, let's draw the rest of this heart up here at the top. So start down here. I'm going to draw a line that comes down. And then it's going to go behind this tulip. So we're going to imagine it going behind, coming out, and then connecting to the top. What are our tulips missing, Hadley?
Leaves.
Yeah, let's draw a couple leaves. I'm going to start right here, and let's draw one on this bottom one. And we want to make sure that it's above the fold. So I'm just going to draw a curve that comes out and back in. Then we can draw, let's draw a leaf over here. And you guys at home could draw these leaves anywhere you want. You could also even add more tulips or more hearts. You could add more funny faces. I'm going to draw one over here also. And maybe one right here. And one on this one. Oh, your leaves are looking really pretty, Hadley. I'm going to draw maybe another one right here. And one last one right there. Hadley, you did a great job on your drawing, except we still need to do one last thing. What is it?
Color it.
We always need to color it. It always looks better, so much better colored in. Now this part we're gonna fast forward, but at the end you guys can pause it if you wanna match the same coloring. You ready to fast forward?
Yeah.
All right, Hadley, we did it. We finished coloring our Mother's Day folding surprise. Turned out awesome, except we need to show our art friends inside. You ready?
Yes.
1, 2, 3. Happy Mother's Day. It turned out so cute. Now, we found out that we needed to make sure that we left these top tulips white because when you fold it down here, it needs to look like
A letter.
the letter M. But then when you open it up, they look like flowers. And you guys at home can color your flowers any color you want, but we use pink and purple.
We hope you had a lot of fun drawing your folding surprise.
Yeah, we do. We hope you had a lot of fun. And remember to give this to your mom on Mother's Day. I'm sure she would love it. And we'll see you later, our friends. Goodbye.
Bye.
Happy Mother's Day.
Hello.
Oh, yeah, it looks
It's
like
lips.
lips. Mwah.